1947. We are in the early months of our 76th year of operation. Realize also that this is a very, very large national park. Probably that animal right there probably eats about 3 to 4 times over the course of a month. So he can take refuge there at the very, very peak of the dry season. How many of you folks have ever been to Las Vegas? All right, we have a few white ibis out there in the prairie. Bluebird closer to us is the little blue heron. There are 6 species of heron native to the Everglades. So far we've seen 2, the great blue and the little blue. It's one of my favorite birds. Isn't it beautiful? Wildflowers are also interesting, folks. These pinkish purplish thistles are called the horrible thistle. I see some white ibis flying overhead. There's a great egret out there. Another great blue heron. There's a great blue heron across the lake on the perimeter there, stalking in the shallows, looking for fish. Now, folks, that large island on the far side, there are at least 3 active great blue heron nests in that island. All right, we have a roseate spoonbill on the far side of the lake.
Oh, hello.
Crocodile. You can see how pointy it is.
Well, now it's interesting about that small male. Now I'm calling it male, really not. The smaller crocodile. These animals, all of them, crocodile, they are the jewel of the Everglades. Handsome, it's black with a white face, but this bird is so colorful. And it's so interesting, which is walking on those lily pads without sinking. Did you get a look at it? The male's legs will develop a reddish coloration during breeding season. When they've done this work, she looks pretty comfortable right now. When she gets hungry, she'll return to the water, swim beneath the surface, spear fish, all black. But both have the same white wing bars. There's some white ibis and one wood stork. Now this wood stork is closer. These are both tactile figures. Look at the ibis bobbing his head up and down, feeling with that sensitive beak. Now the stork is feeling. See him shuffle that foot? Scares fish. Now it's cloudy today. If it were sun, oh, he did it anyway. Did you see him lift a wing? Now the wood stork, folks, is one of those creatures that's so ugly, it's beautiful. On his neck and head. He's made himself as handsome as he possibly can. He's looking for a mate. Right now he's preening. You see, he's dipping his beak in an oil gland at the base of his tail so he can preen his feathers. He's looking around. I think he's looking for a girlfriend. Now watch what he does. Oh, he does. I thought he would rub some of that oil on his feathers, but he's preoccupied looking for a girl. Now he's rubbing the feathers. Now,
some of the birds diving in. Sometimes I think they're birds. I'm hoping you can see some gar. Yeah, okay. Oh, there's an alligator, I think. I can't see its nose, so I'm gonna assume it's an alligator. See a lot more of those. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna look for some gar. Oh. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, there is a gar. You can see the spotted gar. Oh god. There it is. You can barely see it. It's there. And then this is the Bobcat Boardwalk Trail. Oh, there's more people. Okay, well let's look. There's quite a bit of bamboo. Is this bamboo? It looks like bamboo. I don't think it's bamboo. Baby mother. More